I was a victim of violence through my father, who beat my mother and then beat us kids. And I come from a big family of I got 12 brothers and 5 sisters, and so we all the boys we all slept in the big room, and then we would hear our parents come back from the pub, depending on the strength of when you shut the door. It was either going to be on or off. We knew exactly what was going to happen. The pot, then the dishes get thrown around, then the yelling. And so between me and my brothers, we would have turns, We would say, "Righty, whose turn is it?" To go out and stop it. When I got involved in the gangs, I saw a lot of that. I saw a lot of the violence, and like what I said, I dished it out myself. And then so while I had time to think about it in the prison, I took a stand then. I said, "Oh well, enough is enough for me. I'm going to get out and I'm going to clean up." I even had my little ones come to visit me, and sort of, you create some images in your head. When they leave the visiting room, they turn around and wave out to you. You're supposed to be their rock, their role model. But it wasn't the case. You ain't going to be anyone's role model if you're in jail.